Games of Thrones actress Esmé Bianco's sexual assault lawsuit against Marilyn Manson has received a judge's okay to move forward, Fox News has confirmed. Judge Fernando L. Aintley Rocha of the U.S. District Court of California denied Manson's attempt to have Bianco's claims dismissed based on the statute of limitations, court documents revealed Thursday. Manson, whose real name is Brian Warner, is ordered by the judge to file a formal answer to each of the claims made in Bianco's lawsuit within 14 days. A reasonable jury could find that the effects of Warner's alleged unconscionable acts, including the perceived threat to plaintiff's safety, immigration status, and career, persisted years after her last contact with Warner, Aintley Rocha wrote in his court address. A member of Manson's legal team did not immediately respond to Fox News' request for comment. Bianco, 39, filed a lawsuit against the shock rocker in April for alleged sexual assault and sexual battery. The court submission came just 3 months after she publicly accused Manson of physical and psychological abuse that supposedly occurred when Manson cut her torso with a knife and chased her with an axe. The complaint also alleges that Warner and his former manager violated the Trafficking Victims Protection Reauthorization Act when Warner used fraud to bring Bianco to the U.S., and then alleges Warner made threats of force and performed violent sexual acts on her to which she did not consent. Mr. Warner used drugs, force, and threats of force to coerce sexual acts from Ms. Bianco on multiple occasions, the initial detailed filing said. Deadline reported at the time. Bianco said she was involved with Manson from 2009 to 2013, and in her original filing, the British-born actress claimed through her attorney Jay Elawanger, Mr. Warner raped Ms. Bianco in or around May 2011. In an April statement to Fox News issued through her representative, Bianco said, "As millions of survivors like myself are painfully aware, our legal system is far from perfect. This is why I co-created the Phoenix Act, a law which gives precious additional healing time to thousands of domestic violence survivors. But while I fight for a more just legal system, I am also pursuing my right to demand my abuser be held to account, using every avenue." The actress continued, "For far too long my abuser has been left unchecked, enabled by money, fame and an industry that turned a blind eye." Despite the numerous brave women who have spoken out against Marilyn Manson, countless survivors remain silenced, and some of their voices will never be heard. My hope is that by raising mine I will help to stop Brian Warner from shattering any more lives and empower other victims to seek their own. Just last month, another of Manson's rape accusers, known only as Jane Doe, saw her lawsuit dismissed by California Judge Gregory Kiyojian after it fell out of the statute of limitations. The woman sued Manson for alleged rape and sexual battery in Los Angeles back in May, and in her complaint claimed she began dating him in 2011 and soon found herself exploited and victimized by Manson. A member of Manson's team who strongly denied the claims to Fox News at the time maintained last month that while the judge dismissed the Jane Doe's complaint, he did, however, give the woman's attorneys 20 days to file a new complaint if they can provide more facts to get around the statute of limitations, as she admitted to the court that she repressed her memories, which the lawsuit classifies as delayed. Furthermore, Manson is also denying claims he assaulted a woman at a show in New Hampshire when he allegedly spat on and blew snot on the woman.